Hey, Browlock 67 here. We're going to be opening the 8088 Sargent Greenleaf padlock here. So let's get started. Okay. We got all the wheels going. And there's the first gate. There's the first gate. Okay, back around. Second wheel's picked up. And there's the gate. Third wheel's picked up. And there we got it open. Now, we're going to tell you how I did that. You drill 2 holes, or 1 hole if you have a good otoscope. I used an otoscope, so 1 hole is for your light, and the other hole is the one you look through. The first hole here is 1 inch down from the top of the lock, and well, whoops, come on, focus, and 1/4 of an inch over, or a little more. And the second hole is 1/8 of an inch below the first hole. And what that'll give you is a clear shot of the wheels and the fence. Now, to repair this, you go ahead and tap your 2 holes for a 3/32 set screw. Which we got right here. There's the holes. You want to put the set screws so they're just want to screw them in so they're just under the body of the lock. So there's your set screws. You can, if you want this to be operational for yourself, you can leave it like that. If you're doing it for a customer, obviously they might not want that. So you can put those a little little under the side of the lock and mix up some JB Weld and put that over it, smooth it out so you can't see it, and it'll be operational. If you have 3 of these and you need to change you open one like this because you don't know the exact combination. You will need to know how to change or how to set the combination. Those instructions can be online, can be found online, but you also need a key. This is the original instruction page that comes with the lock. Tells everything about it. And this is an original key. The newer keys that come with the new lock that replace this one will come with this key, and you can't really make it out, but it'll be stamped with an 8077 or an 8077A, and that is for this lock. Now, these locks are obviously very different. These were discontinued by the military. They found out that on aircraft that these were being used on, they would vibrate open. Obviously, a design flaw. These were not really redesigned, but as you see, it's got a armored body. Should have had this one open. But these are supposed to be, if I remember right, 30-minute manipulation proof, and I think 10-minute X-ray proof, something like that. And I think that this armored one is designed to prevent both of those type of attacks, because as you can see, this is armored all around. To get the back plate off, the lock has to be open, and that screw right there has to be screwed in to the shackle hole right there, and this plate comes off. As you can see, the backs are very different. Unfortunately, I closed this one. I shouldn't have, but that's the area, that area right there You push that up. And that on this one, that moves the shutter for the change key. Change key goes right there. And this one, of course, has get this back up here. But this one has a screw you turn to change the lock, that change the combination that way. So now if you see one of those, say one of these at the flea market, whatnot, and it doesn't have a combination, you can purchase it, drill your holes, find out the combination, and you get a really, really good combination lock. Thanks for watching.